Bank is leaving its challengers with a dry mouth and medical professionals shaking their heads. Melissa Estock explains.
It's called the Cinnamon Challenge. Although people of all ages have been taking on the dare for a few years, the phenomenon is becoming widely known. On YouTube, thousands of videos show people putting a spoonful of ground cinnamon into their mouths. The clips show their alarming reaction to the dry mouth challenge. Some are more dramatic, as seen in this clip, viewed over 740,000 times, where a girl collapses to the ground gasping for air. Others show people coughing out a cloud of cinnamon, desperate for a glass of water. I spoke to one medical professional here at St. Clair's Health Center in Sussex, and she said the challenge isn't worth it.
Whoever thinks about doing it shouldn't do it. Although it seems like an innocuous game, it's not funny and it has the potential to be really dangerous. People don't realize it until it's too late, and then they regret it and wish they had never done it in the first place.
Dr. Stephanie Ortega, who is the medical director for the EMS department at St. Clair's, said once the participants take on the challenge, they face a natural chain reaction to the cinnamon.
Once you put the cinnamon in your mouth, it's very caustic, and it's an irritant, and it causes a really significant gag reflex. So if people start gagging, they can vomit, they can get nosebleeds, and they start coughing.
Dr. Ortega said most likely people will also breathe in the substance after they cough it up, and the consequences of that could have a long-lasting impression on your health.
Once you get it in your lungs, it causes inflammation, it causes asthma-like symptoms, it causes constriction of your airways, and someone who's actually an asthmatic, it can lead to a lethal asthma attack. It's not worth taking the risk. The other problem is there's studies that are showing that this can cause permanent lung damage. Once it's in your lungs, it doesn't come out. So it can cause inflammation, it can cause scarring and permanent damage.
In 2011, the American Association of Poison Control Centers received 51 calls related to the Cinnamon Challenge. That number increased to 178 calls in the first 6 months of 2012, and 30 of those incidences required medical attention. Currently, there are roughly 50,000 YouTube clips of this Cinnamon Challenge. Sussex St. Clair's said so far they have not seen a case. Reporting in Sussex County, I'm Melissa Estock for WNBC News.
And another look at your top stories is coming up next.